Nano, Babaw Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, and we were invited to come and check out this newly opened coffee shop.
Actually, hindi lang siya ordinary cafe, so they serve many kinds of dishes here. At the same time, pwede kayo mag-chill dito.
Ang ganda ng lugar, ang sarap ng pagkain. Grabe, kanina nabusog ako. Guys, if you want to know more kung ano yung mga kinain namin kanina, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Yun guys, coming in here. Ayan, look at the place. This is so huge. Napakalaki po ng dining area nila. This is around 150 square meters if I'm not mistaken, no? And if you notice dito, meron tayong long table.
Yes, actually mga wooden table. At the same time, meron tayong pang Instagram na background.
Yes.
And kagandaan dito, hindi lang ito yung mga upuan, meron din tayong duyan sa side.
No? Same time, very suitable siya for family gathering,
Yes.
no, family date, a couple date siguro. And meet up
Yes.
for business meetings. Ang ganda nito. One-stop shop siya. Right, so yun guys, thank you so much again for being with us in this vlog. Nagpapasalamat po kami kay Been There for inviting us. Grabe Mark, what can you say about the place?
So yung place napakaganda, napaka-instagrammable, at the same time napaka-cozy. So talaga mag-e-enjoy ka to stay here.
Exactly. So, na-mention mo yung enjoy, makakasama natin ngayon yung mga dalawang nagkagandahang ladies ng lugar na to. So, to enjoy yung mga pagkain natin. So, introduce ko na sila. So, si Ma'am Maurice and Ma'am Joy. So, Ma'am, sa mga nakaahin po na pagkain dito, which ones are your favorite?
Sa ako para sa akin itong baby back ribs.
Baby back. Wow.
Itong madalas ko talagang kinakain dito.
Kayo po, Ma'am Maurice.
Ako naman sir, ito personally kasi love ko talaga yung pasta. So, ito yung best choice ko, yung pasta parmigiana na.
So, aside from the Parmigiana, Ma'am, may iba pa ba tayong flavor ng pasta? Or as of now, ito? I see. Ano pa po
Marami kami actually, meron kaming Monte Carlo, carbonara, pesto shrimp, ganun. Madami naman kaming variants.
Right, so aside from those food guys, so meron din tayong mga pizza, okay? So this one is your...
In their signature na pizza.
And then ito yung mga...
Pizza roll naman
Pizza
namin,
roll.
sir.
I mean, take a look at it guys. Grabe naman to. Now for the burgers...
Ito, magpo-fall siya sa sandwiches namin.
Oh, okay.
Ito yung in their signature sandwich namin.
Loaded na loaded.
Loaded, Mark, no? So you have your patty, ay pineapple, may egg,
Bacon,
Pero sir, we're after the quality na sinaserve namin food.
For them to have an idea, ma'am, magkano po yung mga ganito?
Ito sir is $3.20.
Wow! Loaded, Mark.
Loaded naman.
Actually.
Diba?
Si Ma'am Joy, sabi mo kanina, favorite mo itong salmon steak. And then for the finger food, meron pa tayong, these are
Chicken
chicken tenders. And then for salad, Ma'am, how many flavors do you have for the salad?
Actually, we have 3 flavors for salad. Ito rin yung Binder signature namin, which is the Caesar salad. And meron kaming Thai salad at saka Thousand Island na salad.
Grabe. Now for the drinks?
Ito yung mga most na pinaka-favorite pala talaga dito sa amin is first yung Java chip.
Java
tapos
chip.
ito blended na strawberry matcha.
Oh!
Tapos ito sir is salted caramel.
Salted caramel.
Tapos ito naman is caramel macchiato. And ito yung signature din namin.
Signature Been There iced coffee.
Yes.
Barbecue, baby back ribs pa lang yung tinikman ko guys, and sobrang nakaagulat. So ito pala guys, ay niluluto siya almost 4 hours. I mean, look at the love and the dedication ng mga chef natin dito.
Actually, tingnan mo naman, napakalambot. Tsaka yung sauce niya, napakalasa. Ito yung good partner with
So sobrang lambot niya actually is almost yung yung litid niya, pwede mo siyang kainin. Sobrang lambot guys. Okay. Whoa. So this is their pizza roll. Ayan. Naman Yeah, fresh herbs. Tapos yung mga meat natin sobrang smoky, sarap ng ng amoy.
Flavor.
Look at that. What time do we open po dito sa Been There?
From 10 a.m. po to 12 midnight kami kaya.
Ooh, mas mahaba yung
Operation hours.
Yes.
And this is located sa
Along the highway lang ng Barangay Telabastagan.
pinaka-landmark natin yung SL Gate 2 and malapit siya sa SM Telabastagan.
Yeah. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. Kung hindi po kayo nakasubscribe, please hit that like button and that notification bell as well para ma-notify po kayo kapag meron po kaming mga bagong videos.
Yes, so this is another option for you to stay or to try out dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga, specifically dito sa may Telabastagan. And this has been there.
Yes, thanks so much for watching. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye guys.